Good morning, everybody. I have some explaining to do. We are on our way to Fort Lauderdale. Not a cruise ship. I'll tell you in a bit. We need to go over here. We don't have to go through that. We have been here before. Subway's like right over there. All right, we have explaining to do. Yeah. They haven't heard at all the story. Should I tell them everything?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah. What happened?
Yeah. Sure.
Oh yeah, I would.
Yeah.
Okay. So we had planned on going on our Carnival cruise to the Bahamas. I told you guys about that. And then over the weekend, we were thinking about canceling. Kind of on the fence, not really sure what we wanted to do.
Oh yeah.
Over the weekend, I got really nauseous. Should I tell them that part? I'll just tell you. I got really nauseous. Monday morning, threw up. Went and took a test, and it came back positive. So that was kind of, I think, icing on the cake for me. You probably should tell your dad.
I did tell my dad.
You did tell him. Okay, so he knows. Everybody, I think, knows. But I mean, it's a fourth kid, so. So anyway, so we canceled the cruise, and I hurried up and scrambled and booked a villa in Key Largo. So we drove from Fort Lauderdale to Key Largo here. On the way, we decided we have a little bit of time before we have to check into it. We are eating at this little like shack. I bet it's really good. Oh yeah, I can walk and talk. So we came here. It's called Shipwrecks. I'll take you guys inside, and then we're gonna stop at Publix. We're gonna pick up some groceries together and then go. That was not definitely the pregnancy announcement that I thought that I was gonna give, but here it is. Oh, this is so nice. So nice.
Oh, we're having spaghetti, but that's like not lunch.
What is everybody getting?
Cheeseburger.
Jet?
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
2 cheeseburgers and a hot dog. Cheeseburger.
You want ketchup on the hot dog? I'll do it. I'll help you. Eat it.
So I just got out of Publix, and it was like an apocalypse in there. Everybody was just grabbing. There's no toilet paper left. There's like very minimal, probably 7 packs of paper towels. No Lysol products whatsoever. And yeah, it was crazy. It was real crazy, but I bought, can you see them? I bought some, yeah, why do you have your shirt off?
Because it was really hot.
I bought, oh, I also couldn't find cold beer unless I like missed the aisle that it was in, but that's what Katie requested. I got ginger ale because I've been so queasy, like bad. Feeling real bad. But long story short, I got the basics. Eggs, eggs, bread, drinks, water, a salad, popcorn, peanut butter and jelly. I think that's it. But we don't need much because we're not here that long. We're only here till Monday, so. Oh, wish me luck. This place is adorable. We just got in here. There's like a little living room and a half bathroom and then a kitchen table. I just put all the groceries and stuff in there. Look at this cute kitchen. And then this out. Oh, let that in. Let's go upstairs.
Oh yeah, there's only 90. Hello.
All right, I'm gonna follow you.
It's the other, yeah.
I'm gonna follow you.
There's just one bedroom. Look, I told you.
Oh, this is adorable. That is like a 90s TV.
We're gonna say.
Oh, this is really cute.
Oh, this one I got. Where's this one? Isn't it nice? Wait, there's a city.
So I just got a text message from my kid's school. The state of Ohio shut down all schools for the next 3 weeks. So they're gonna be off school until April 6th.
Wait, really?
Yes. You don't have school for 3 weeks, but you'll probably have to do some type of like learning packet, which is fine. I always felt like I would be a good homeschool mom. You see that look? I'm gonna turn this down to like 70. Ooh, fan on. You guys shut the door when you open it. I think we're gonna get ready to go to the pool.
Yeah, I'm right.
I love this view though. I'm really gonna love it when I can sit out there and drink a coffee in the morning. I know you are. You want a drink?
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is our first day. Where's my computer? Is that in the car?
Yeah. Okay, ready? Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Put cheese on it?
That looks so good.
Good, this is really good. You want cheese on it?
Yeah.
Eat that.
So many people think that it's a dog.
We're now back from dinner. I just kind of wiped my face off. We created this nice little pull-out bed. I bought a key lime pie from Publix when I went there. They had like a sale. It fell in the car, but I think it'll be fine. It'll be good. Dinner was great. I almost forgot to pick you guys up. Got to get back into the swing of things at this vlogging thing. But at least I showed you everything that we got, and the ambiance of the place is really cool. But we're gonna sit in bed and we're going to eat this key lime pie. I wanted to go ahead and end the vlog right here. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.